Good morning, Paul Georgie from Allendale. It's October 19th, Friday morning, and we've got a little more buying and a little stronger markets overnight in the grains trade here. The reason for the strength, I think, is a lot of small reasons. Maybe the wheat has got a much stronger reason here, as overnight the Ukraine announced that they were banning wheat exports after November 15th. So that is kind of a surprise announcement, although it's been talked about and anticipated by traders here for several weeks now that Ukraine likely would have to do some type of adjusting in the wheat because of their smaller crop that they had this year. Other reasons, light farmer movement in corn and soybeans continue to support futures. Brazilian weather, a little drier in some areas. That's causing some friendly attitude. Also, Argentina over the next several days, up to 10 days, is expected to be a little wetter than normal, and that slowing down planting of corn in Argentina. And as you know, we've got extremely tight corn stocks in the world, and it's needed to get that crop off the ground. So that's providing some support as well. In China overnight, we did have beans slightly higher, not a large movement there, however. We do have Informa's numbers coming out here this afternoon on the 2013 crop. Actually, it's coming out at 10:30 this morning. Last month they talked about a 97.5 million corn crop, a 79.8 million bean crop. We'll see how they adjust those numbers here at 10:30. The big question, though, I think today in the grains is, what are the funds going to do? We've seen funds selling early in the week. We've seen fund buying yesterday, and when the funds are taking actions, that's when the market is moving. Otherwise, we've seen like the couple days this week where we've just been very stagnant in most of the session. So are the funds going to be participating today? If they are, what direction? And that will create volatility and movement. I don't think there's any doubt about that. Some of the other facts that we got to look at is the chart picture. December corn, the 768 to 770 area is key resistance. If we can close above those levels, I think you'll have a lot more excitement and emotion coming into the market here, that we probably have made a seasonal low, and the tight supplies can continue to drive prices there. However, soybeans, we're sitting at 1550 as the 20-day moving average. We broke through that and hit some stops overnight. A close above that today could actually trigger some more buying late in the session, so watch for that. And wheat market, $9 in the December contract is kind of the swing point there. Is the upper end of the trading range that we've been in wheat. A close above that be needed to create some excitement, some further follow-through buying early next week. In the livestock trade, we've got cattle on feed reports, so we'll have some adjusting of positions as we go through the session today. Trade's looking for about 97.8 on feed, around 85% placed and 90% marketed last month. The cutout values overnight up 113, select up 110 in the choice cutout, 13 cents higher in the select. Pork cutout values were down 92. So cash trade in the cattle is still at a standstill. We're here in 122 bid with a 127, 128 offer. No trade as of yet. The packers may wait and as long as they can see what kind of numbers come out on this cattle on feed report before they become aggressive buyers here this week. So a lot of activity going on here today, and a lot of reason to stay in touch with Allendale's research, Allendale's advisory service, and the Allendale representatives. If you got any questions, give us a call here or call our branch offices, and they'll be happy to answer any questions that you might have. We wish everybody a very successful trading day, and I'll talk to you on Monday morning. Thank you.